Big Shine takes a decentralized approach with the ability to optimize our engineered services based on the needs of individual communities of each region where we're located. With manufacturing facilities throughout Asia, we can ensure a continuity of supply. Our CEO takes the lead in every line of product with our engineering team and lighting designers. He travels to every facility so that we may provide you, our customers, with the best quality LED lighting fixtures to fit your needs. We work closely with dozens of utility companies around the nation and have processed millions of dollars in incentives for more than 1,000 clients.
Another unexpected benefit was a temperature reduction in the summer. We think it's about 10 degrees cooler in the shop, which is really great for my workers.
But educating us and making us, being newbie owners, walking us through. I mean, to us, that was very important that the customer service was there for us.
We're going to save some energy, we're going to save money. I really didn't comprehend how much better the light would be.
Big Shine LED lighting, 4 times the amount of light in the warehouse.
LED says future, it says bright, it says clean energy, and we had to go there.
And the product that they produce, which they produce themselves, is the top of the line LED on the market.
We would definitely recommend Big Shine.
I would highly recommend Big Shine.
I would highly recommend Big Shine.
I would definitely recommend Big Shine.
Big Shine's global impact goes a step further. Our goal is to help fulfill the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. Through our Approaching Zero campaign and by supporting NGOs across the U.S.